Insert the wheel into the blade forks, lining up the wheel hub and the blade fork dropout holes. Slide the axle bolt through the fork in the wheel hub. Finally, securely tighten the bolts using the 5mm wrenches. Lift the handlebar up and fully insert it into the fork. Before tightening the clamp adjustment lever, stand in front of your pulse kick and go, facing the handlebars. Using your feet, hold the front wheel in place parallel to the deck and the rear wheel. Keep the front wheel between your feet as you adjust the handlebars so that they are aligned with the front wheel. Hold the handlebars with one hand and fold the clamp lever inward.